Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own hair weft using braiding hair. Okay, so with that said, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so here are the things you will need for this tutorial. You will need paper tape, and you will need scissors, hair comb, thread to sew the weft. You also need some pre-stretch braiding hair. I have a separate video showing you guys how to achieve this custom braiding hair color right here. The link to that video is in the description box down below. Okay, so to start, you need to take your pre-stretch braiding hair and cut it in half, just like I'm doing in this video. Okay, so to start, you need to take your tape and lay it on the table with the sticky side facing you. So cut a little bit of the tape to secure it to the table. So once you're done prepping the tape, the next step is to take your braiding hair and start spreading it on the tape. You want to make sure to press it on there so that way it sticks to the tape, sticks to the hair. Okay, so moving on to the next step. So for this part, you need to place the tape with the sticky side facing down, which is facing the hair, to secure the hair in place before going ahead to transfer it from the table to your workspace. Okay, so now that that is done, the next step is to take it to your sewing machine and start sewing the hair. Okay, so here's how the weft is looking so far with the first stitch in place. Okay, so I'm going to add a couple more stitches, about 6 to 8 before the next step. So I accidentally sewed on the on the tape, on the back side of the tape, so I couldn't see it. So try not to sew on the tape because it's not easy taking it out. As you can see right here, I'm struggling to tear out the tape. So please pay attention to what you're doing and do not sew on the tape. Okay, so right here, like I said, I'm going to be adding a couple more stitches, about 6 to 8 stitches on this area right here before moving on to the next step. So after doing that, I think I did a total of eight stitches, and also every time I make sure to do a back stitch to secure the thread in place. Okay, so right now I'm going to be folding the ends of the hair over. So right now I'm going ahead to fold the ends of the hair over. Okay, right there, and I'm gonna do two more stitches on the folded end. So once you're done sewing the weft, the next step is to take out the tape. The tape will come up super easily when you don't sew on it. It barely sticking to the hair, so you just need to tear it out. So pay attention to what you're doing. Don't be like me, okay? Don't sew over the tape. It's super easy to take it out if you don't sew over it, okay? So moving on to the next step. Once you're done removing the tape, now it's time to trim the fold over edge a little bit short. So as you can see right here, I'm going in with my scissors to trim it down a little bit. So after trimming the fold over ends, the next step is to set your flat iron to a low heat or medium heat. So before you go into flat iron the hair, please make sure to test it out on a small piece of hair to make sure the heat is right for the synthetic hair before going into flat ironing, because you don't want to melt the hair, so you need to use the right heat for this process. So once you set your flat iron to your preferred heat, now you need to flat iron the edge of the weft, just like I'm doing in this video. Okay, so once that is done, now you need to flat iron the rest of the hair. So first you start by brushing the hair, make sure there's no tangle. Okay, so once that is done, you go in with your flat iron and start flat ironing the hair. Don't hold it for once, don't hold the flat iron on one spot for too long. Just gently glide it through the hair to flat iron the hair. Again, like I said, you always want to make sure to test the heat on a different piece of hair, of synthetic hair, to make sure the heat is right for your weft wig. Yeah, you always want to test it out. Okay, so here is the final result of the single weft hair bundle. made out of braiding hair. So this is the single weft one I'm holding right here. The one next to it is a double weft bundle. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the double weft bundle. So stay tuned for the next video. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you find it helpful, and also hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that way once I post the new video or the next video, you will get notified. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.